guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Glyphic emote dance from the game Fortnite. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, SonnyJ7, for being the first one to request it. Alright, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is jump out on both legs and go 1. Yeah, let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now, at the same time, you also want to move your head to your right side, and then left side, right side, left side. So we're gonna do 4 of those in total. So right, left, left. Let's just try that. Just ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, left. Okay, now from here you want to turn your body to your left side, looking to your left, and then you want to go like this with your left arm, as if you're a fancy waiter holding that tray. Here you go, sir. And palm is facing upwards. Now the right is like that. Yeah. I hope my lines are straight. I'm not very good at it, but I'll do my best. So from here you want to turn to the front. And at the same time, well, only your body, your hands, your left hand stays here, your body turns to the front, and then your right arm is gonna go opposite of the left. So something like this. So coming from here to here. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, here. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, here. Now from here, you want to say right arm goes up, just like the left arm. And at the same time, you want to do a small prep. You want to take your left foot in here to the center, because you want to prepare for the spin. Yeah, so let's just try again. From here, you want to say right arm up, and at the same time, left foot goes in, because you want to say turn here. Let's just try that again. So we're gonna do prep, turn. So 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, turn, stop. We're gonna stop somewhere here. So let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Prep, turn. All right, let's just do the last move as well. So from turn here, you wanna say right foot goes up like that, and then down. Let's just do that. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, right knee up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, right knee up, down. And the arms are gonna say from here, you wanna say turn, flip. Yeah, so from here, you wanna say around snake. So let's just try to combine that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down. Yeah, so as soon as your knee is up here, you want to say snake. 5, 6, 7, 8, snake, down. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so quick recap, it's jump, hit, to the side, fancy waiter, now to the front again, right arm, then we want to say prep, spin, and then kick, snake, down. Alright, now a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Hit, to the left side, fancy waiter. Now front, right arm. Now prep, spin, stop. From here, kick, snake, down. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, hit. To the left side, fancy waiter. And to the front, right arm. Whoop. Now prep and spin, stop, kick, snake, down. Alright, moving on. So after kick, snake, here you want to turn your body to the front. Notice how my knees are pointing upwards now. Before I was here, now I'm turning here. Here to here. Now the arms Just gonna explain you the arms. So from snake, the left is gonna go under the right, and then you wanna do this turn around thing. And then you wanna have the left on the top and right below. Yeah? So palms facing downwards. So starting from here, the snake, left goes under the right, and you want to turn around, left comes on top, and then hiya. So at the same time, we are here doing the snake. Now you want to say turn to the front, and at the same time you want to do this here. So the left is up here and the right is down here. So from snake, here you want to say turn and ha. So let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, ha. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, ha. Okay, from here, you want to go to the opposite side, so to the right side. You want to say right comes up like that, and then you want to flick it out here. Yeah, and notice how my left drops here and my right is up here. So let's just go back to here. You want to say right comes up, and already now you're doing this snake pose here, just flicking it out like that. So one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, out. Alright, so boom, ha. 2 last move, pretty simple. You just go, right arm goes palm upwards, so instead of downwards, you go upwards, and then the left goes exactly the same, just on the other side, like that. So we went from here to whoop. So from here to whoop. And then the last one is just a up, clap. So you also go a bit up in level. So you go up. So let's just do the 2 last moves. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, up. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, up. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Alright, so quick recap. It's pop, hit, fancy waiter, that is right arm, prep, spin, kick snake, down, now new part, hi-ya, and then opposite side, whoop, ha, now it's palms up, and clap. Okay, let's try that a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go clap, hit, now fancy waiter, whoop, and right arm, turn, now prep for the spin, spin stop, kick snake, down, new part, we go right, hi-ya, and then to the opposite side, whoop, ha, now palms up and clap. Alright, let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, clap, hit, get ready to say fancy waiter, whoop, now turn right arm, whoop, and then prep for the spin, here, spin, stop, kick, snake, down, new part, left arm goes under, whoop, and hi-ya, and turn to the opposite side, wow, and then palms up, here, and clap.